The world is changing. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. With this progress comes new challenges. One such challenge is the rise of drone warfare. Drones, once a novelty, are now a serious threat to global security. But from the heart of India emerges a solution, a beacon of hope in an increasingly uncertain world: Bargavastra. Bargavastra is not just a name, it's a statement. It's India's first indigenous counter-drone system, a testament to the nation's technological prowess. Imagine a shield, invisible yet impenetrable, guarding against a swarm of hostile drones. That is Bargavastra. This game-changer is specifically designed to neutralize small, agile drones that have become the weapon of choice for rogue actors and hostile states. These drones, often deployed in swarms, can overwhelm conventional defense systems. They are difficult to detect, harder to track, and even harder to neutralize. But Bargavastra changes the game entirely. It represents a paradigm shift in drone defense. Bargavastra is a marvel of modern engineering, a symphony of sophisticated technology working in unison. Imagine a hawk's eye, scanning the skies, spotting even the smallest prey from miles away. Bargavastra possesses a similar vigilance, thanks to its advanced radar system. This system can detect small drones at ranges exceeding 6 kilometers, giving it an unparalleled advantage in the field. But detection is only half the battle. Once a threat is identified, Bargavastra unleashes its fury. The system is armed with an arsenal of guided micro-munitions, essentially miniature missiles designed to precisely target and neutralize hostile drones. These micro-munitions are not just accurate, they are relentless. Bargavastra can launch over 64 of these projectiles simultaneously, creating a deadly net that few drones can escape. The beauty of Bargavastra lies in its adaptability. It's not confined to static emplacements. Instead, the entire system is mounted on a mobile platform, allowing for rapid deployment to any location. Whether it's the treacherous terrain of the Himalayas or the scorching sands of the Thar Desert, Bargavastra stands ready. No weapon system, however sophisticated, can be deemed battle-ready without rigorous testing. Bargavastra has proven its mettle time and again in a series of successful trials. Imagine the tension, the anticipation as engineers and military officials gather at the Gopalpur seaward firing ranges. The air crackles with expectation, and then the order is given. In January 2025, Bargavastra roared to life, launching its deadly payload towards virtual targets simulating hostile drones. The results were nothing short of spectacular. The system successfully engaged targets at ranges exceeding 2.5 kilometers, demonstrating its accuracy and lethality. These tests were not mere demonstrations. They were a resounding validation of years of research, development, and sheer hard work. But the journey doesn't end here. The future holds even more rigorous trials, pushing Bargavastra to its limits. The aim is clear, seamless integration into the Indian armed forces, making it an integral part of India's defense strategy. The introduction of Bargavastra is not just a technological leap, it's a strategic game-changer for India's defense forces. For the Indian Army, facing constant threats along its borders, Bargavastra is a force multiplier. It provides a much-needed layer of defense against drone incursions, protecting critical assets and personnel. The Indian Air Force, tasked with safeguarding the nation's skies, also stands to benefit immensely from Bargavastra. Imagine a squadron of fighter jets scrambled to intercept a swarm of hostile drones. Now imagine those jets, freed from this task, focusing on more strategic targets, thanks to Bargavastra taking the lead in neutralizing the drone threat. Furthermore, Bargavastra offers a cost-effective solution to a growing problem. Engaging small, low-flying drones with expensive, sophisticated air defense missiles is like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Bargavastra provides a more measured, economical approach without compromising effectiveness. The threat posed by drones is not unique to India. It's a global concern. From the bustling cities of the West to the remote villages of Africa, drones have emerged as a new weapon in the arsenal of terror and conflict. Their accessibility, affordability, and ease of operation make them a potent tool in the wrong hands. The international community needs to recognize this threat and take proactive steps to counter it. Bargavastra, with its innovative design and proven capabilities, serves as a shining example of what can be achieved. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our ability to adapt and overcome even the most daunting challenges. The development of cost-effective, reliable counter-drone systems like Bargavastra is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. The world needs more such initiatives, more collaborations to ensure a safer, more secure future for all.